Let me tell you something. For the past 5 to 7 years, I do a lot of reading, a lot of Google research. But the most important one that hooked me was YouTube. There's so much to learn from YouTube. And thanks to YouTube, this platform, I've done so much for millions and millions of people. And we all should be appreciative of it. My name is Milton. Thanks for coming back to the channel, and I'm happy that you're here. On this channel, I help, inspire, and motivate people over 40. For the past 5 years to 7 years, I always want to have my YouTube channel. I watch countless videos. I watch endless creators. I watch different forms of video from different niche. I have a lot of experience, and I know people over 40 have a lot of experience. People over 40 have experienced countless, from bottom to top, from every level. I'm in my mid-50s, and there's so much I know to do. And I want to share a lot of what I learned through all my years with you. I will not say I'm teaching, because I'm not a teacher. I just want to share what I learned with you. I'm in full control of my action now that I'm a YouTube creator. Now that I have my own channel, you can have yours too. So don't be afraid. Just decide and make your mind up. Stay focused. You can do it too. And now that I know that I'm in the driver's seat, I'm in full control of this car, I have to stay focused. I have to pay attention. Because YouTube is not hard, but I'm not going to say it's easy. And you have to start somewhere. I'm not going to worry about equipment, because I have a smartphone. I have mic, and I got light from the blessings above. So take advantage of your opportunity and create a YouTube channel. When I leave high school, my parents couldn't afford to send me to a college. To me, YouTube is like a college. YouTube is like a university. There's so much for you to learn if you are interested. I wouldn't suggest quit your job and jump on this platform and say you will make $1 million next week. You're gonna make $1 million next month. You won't be making any money. Choose the way you want to approach YouTube. If you want to take it as a business one day, just a hobby, or whatever you want to do, that's gonna be on you. And if I'm not afraid, you should not be afraid neither. All you have to do is show up, be disciplined, follow procedure, and everything will be fine. My main focus, I would just want to be consistent. I want to do videos. I want to publish them, or I want to upload them. I don't want to just talk and don't press that upload button. I want to upload them. I would suggest the best way to approach this is choose a niche. I know you hear a lot of people and a lot of creators on YouTube telling you you don't need a niche or you need a niche. But what I learned, I think the best suggestion is to choose a niche, because I don't know the algorithm. The algorithm don't know me. But if you want something to done and you want to get benefit and you want to succeed from a procedure, you have to do it the right way. You can't be all over the place trying to master every skill, because they have a talk to say, a tradesman who master everything is a master of none. If you try to be everywhere, you're going to end up nowhere. So I would choose settle with a niche. And like I say, this is what I learned. On this channel, I'm reaching out to people over 40, 50, 60, 70, and older. I want to help and inspire in the best of my ability. I want to motivate people. I want to encourage them, because there's so much out there to learn. There's so much out there we can achieve from what we learn from YouTube. And like I say, people over 40 and older, they have a lot of experience. There's a lot they know to do. So don't afraid to press that start button on your phone or on your camera and make a video. Create a channel. If I can do it, you can do it. So don't be afraid. I want to make videos and make videos, and you can do it too. Just set yourself up where you can do at least 1 video a week and stay consistent. Believe in yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Push yourself. Stay positive. You can do it. You'll make it. Always remember, no matter what you're going through, no matter how hard times feel or how hard it is right now, there's somebody out there worse than you. Let me tell you a story I learned from an older guy when I was much younger. There was this man decide that he don't want to live no more. He just want to give up. So he go up inside of a tree and decide he gonna hang himself. And he have this last one ripe banana. And he decide he gonna eat his last ripe banana before he throw himself off to kill himself. And after he finish eating the banana, he throw the skin from the banana peel on the ground. And when he looked down, he saw another person, another man walk by, take up the banana skin and eat it. You know what he do? He cut himself down from the rope. And he say he changed his mind. I won't hang myself anymore, because there's people in the world worse than me. The banana that I peel to eat, I throw away the skin and someone eat the skin. So don't feel down, don't feel out of place. There's people out there worse than you. So don't be afraid to create a YouTube channel. I know the editing is rough, the thumbnail, the title, the messaging, talking on the camera. It's all a rough game. But you can make it easy. If I can do it, you can do it too. I'm not used to sitting inside of an office, around a desk, on computer, trying to edit video and doing all of these things underneath the AC. I'm used to hard work. Working in the sun, working in the rain, always outside. I don't know nothing about all of this technology. I wonder myself sometime, how am I gonna do it? And like I say, if I can do it, you can do it too. Don't give up so easy. Don't let your views, your subscribers scare you away. Because a lot of time, when we decide to quit just too early. Just be consistent, upload videos, upload good videos. And one of the key things about all of this, is that we have YouTube. YouTube set this platform. We have to take it and make good use of it in the best of our ability. You have to be in full control of your mindset, your habits, your discipline. You have to be in control. You know the next thing I learned? Let me tell you another little story I learned when I was younger in high school. I used to be a very good soccer player. I love soccer. That's my favorite game, soccer. And when I used to play soccer, and when I mess up, you know what my coach would take me aside and tell me? Milton, the ball is in control of you. You can't let the ball be in control of you. You have to be in control of the ball. I learned from that. You have to be in control of the ball. You can't let the ball be in control of you. And I learned from those things and I grow with those things always. They never leave me alone. And that is why I'm where I am today. Just stay focused, pay attention, and follow through with whatever you say you want to do. YouTube is a good place to be. And I don't regret 1 minute of starting my channel. I don't regret it. I'm happy for everything. I have to go to work, I have to come back, pay attention to a lot of things in my life. But I have to find time and make sure I put that time in to go sit down and deal with my YouTube channel. I'm not here to copy or be like no other creator. I want to be like myself. I want to be me, and you should do the same. Try to learn as much as you can. Look at different channels. Research. Google things. I do a lot of reading. But so far, I'm enjoying it. I'm not worried about my views. I'm not worried about subscribers. I know one day that will come. It will come my way. But you have to give yourself time. You have to creep before you walk. Because the time you're planning to give up, maybe it's the time when everything gonna start flourish for you. Maybe that's the time your tree gonna start blossom and you will have fruits. So don't give up. Stay strong. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.